Are you looking for the best carpet cleaning solution? In this video, we will look at some of the top carpet cleaning solutions on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 1, we have the Bissell Professional Pet Urine Eliminator. This one is designed to be particularly effective while also protecting helpless, homeless animals. In this regard, the company is a proud supporter of the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help homeless pets. In terms of the carpet cleaner itself, the product uses the company's best formula for eliminating pet odors and stains. It can even tackle skunk odor, which is quite the achievement. It can be used with Bissell's Hoover and Rug Doctor upright deep cleaning machines. It will remove stains and odors permanently, directly at the source using the power of Oxy. It can also clean and protect from future stains thanks to the Scotchgard protector. Moreover, the product should supposedly discourage your pet from urinating in the same spot again. At number 2, we have the Hoover Renewal Deep Cleaning Carpet Shampoo. This is a great solution for people looking to revitalize their carpets. It's capable of removing dirt and grime very effectively. Going forward, you can use it on car interiors as well as on carpets and upholstery, so it's quite multifunctional. For enhanced cleaning performance, you can pair the product with a Hoover stain remover and carpet cleaner. You can also use this one with full-size deep cleaning machines for convenience. The product includes US and globally sourced ingredients. One of the nice things about it is that the scent is nice and clean and it doesn't leave any toxic odor once you use it. This is particularly important as it will prevent any harm to you, your family, and your pets. At number 3, we have the Amazon Commercial Extraction Carpet Cleaner. This is a great solution for all types of rugs, carpets, and mats. Both bottles are 1 gallon each, which should be good enough for quite some time. The product penetrates the fibers deeply in order to break up and lift stains, and to also knock out offensive odors quickly and very efficiently. It's ideal for commercial properties, offices, hotels, and much more. You can also use it with professional extraction cleaning machines on various carpeted surfaces. The low residue formula is going to rinse away very cleanly, and it won't leave any soapy buildup behind it. It leaves a country fresh fragrance. In terms of dilution, you should use between 0.5 and 1 ounce per gallon. At number 4, we have the Nature's Miracle Deep Cleaning Stain and Odor Remover. The Nature's Miracle Carpet Shampoo comes with odor-locking technology made of bioenzymatic ingredients for some serious capabilities. You can say goodbye to the unpleasant toxic smell that a lot of other products leave. You can use it as a standalone solution, or alternatively, you can use it with a steamer or a carpet cleaner, depending on how serious the stain is and your own personal preferences. The product doesn't produce a lot of foam thanks to its phosphate-free formula, which works to rejuvenate carpets by removing stains and odors. The scent that it leaves is a fresh tropical bloom, and the bottle is 64 ounces, which should be quite enough for a good period of time. At number 5, we have the Rug Doctor Pet Deep Cleaner. This one comes with a strong pro-enzymatic formula that will clean deeply. It can stop pets from remarking, and it can clean your carpets continuously for up to 24 hours. The Daybreak scented solution will work to remove and neutralize harsh smells that are left by your furry friends without causing any serious harm to the carpet and to the pet. It can take care of different stains including vomit, blood, hairball spots, blood, urine, feces, dirt, saliva, and others alike. It's great for soft surfaces such as pet beds, auto upholstery, rug mattresses, carpets, sofas, and more. The product is safe to use in all carpet cleaning machines, and 1 bottle should be more than enough to clean as much as 9 rooms. The solution isn't toxic and it won't irritate your pets, making it rather safe to use around them. So that sums up the top carpet cleaning solutions. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.